guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the save file path on CapCut PC before you export it. So just go to menu, go back to home page. And this is for the save file path first. For the export file path, it's different, but I'm going to show you the thing in this video, like where it is in this video. Select these settings, go to settings, and then here in save to, you can change the folder where you save your files. Select folder and then just press save. For exporting, to change the save file path, just go and select export. Export to, select the folder that you want the file to be exported in. Then just hit the export button. It is that simple. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!